Quick Power System is a step-by-step guide showing you exactly how to create your own home power plant today. Quick Power System helps cutting down by 60% or more your electric bill in the next 30 days. This system was specifically designed so that anyone with one hand can build it, even if you have difficulty plugging your charger into a cell phone. You'll see exactly what those steps are, along with a full materials list that will help you build a system from start to finish. You'll be able to follow them anywhere, even if you decide to build your system down in the garage, or outside. Finally, you will never have to pay such high bills to the greedy electric companies again. Get it now. Official link given in the description.